Hello students. Today let us see use of past perfect tense in different situations. It means how we are going to use past perfect tense in different situations. We are going to see here first situation. It is used for an action which began before the time of speaking in the past and was still continuing at the time of speaking. See here, action began in the past and while the time of speaking also the action was in progress. See here, he had been a captain for 10 years. It means he was captain on the date of speech. That time also he was a captain. Then Ram had lived in this house for 20 years. Here he lived in that house as on date means on the date of speaking also he was living there. Second situation you see here, to describe one event or happening following another in the past. I have told you already regarding this. There are two past events. During that time, to indicate the earlier past action, we use past perfect tense, and for the later past action, we use simple past tense. So, you see here, the train had arrived before he reached the station. Here, train had arrived, it is earlier past action. He reached the station, that is later action. So, for the earlier action, we have used past perfect tense. For the later action, we have used simple past tense. Next one, see there. The bell had rung before the teacher entered the class. Next, third situation, see there. Simple past tense, present perfect and past perfect become past perfect in reported speech. See here, in the direct speech, the sentences which are there in simple past, present perfect and past perfect tense, they become what? Past perfect tense in the reported speech. See there, Ravi said, I prepared hard for the exams. It is a simple past tense sentence. When you change it into reported speech, then it becomes like this. Ravi said that he had prepared hard for the exams. Here simple past changed into past perfect. Next one, Ravi said, I have prepared hard for the exams. It is present perfect tense sentence. When you change it into reported speech, it becomes past perfect tense. See that. Ravi said that he had prepared hard for the exams. Present perfect changed into past perfect. Next situation you see here. Past perfect tense is used in conditional clauses to indicate non-fulfillment of a condition in the past. See here, conditional clause. It shows non-fulfillment of a condition in the past. Here we have the situation. If it had been like this, he would have done like that. Like that situations will be there. See that. See here example. If he had gone to Agra, he would have seen the Taj Mahal. If he had gone to Agra, he would have seen the Taj Mahal. It indicates that he had never been to Agra. If he had gone to there, he would have seen the Taj Mahal. Okay. If he had met me, I would have helped him. If he had met me, I would have helped him. It means he had not met him. Next situation, see here. The present perfect tense can also be used with till or until and before. It refers the completion or expected completion of an action. See here, she did not wait till we had finished our lunch. Here with till we are using past perfect tense. Next one, before we had walked there, before we had walked 3 kilometers, she complained of pain in her stomach. Here with before we are using past perfect tense. You see here another situation. The past perfect plus infinitive expresses an unfulfilled hope or intention. Okay, to indicate unfulfilled hope or intention also we can use past perfect tense. For example, I had hoped to win a lottery. I had hoped to win a lottery. It means he couldn't I couldn't win the lottery. Okay, I hoped for that, I had hoped for that, but I couldn't win. So these are the different situations in which we can use past perfect tense. Let us go for the another topic in the next session. Thank you for watching video.